be showing you how to make these con safe and con approved Grell Sutcliff scissor depth size that was really long to say. These are a much more simple and cheaper alternative to making the big chainsaw depth scythe, but if you still want to make that one, there is going to be a link to my tutorial in the description. It tells you how to make it step by step. It's really easy, but it is a little bit time consuming. If you don't have that much time on your hands, you can just make these. Also be sure to check the description for a Grell wig styling tutorial and a Grell makeup tutorial. A lot of cons in the UK have really tight restrictions when it comes to cosplay props because they don't want you to bring anything with a sharp object. These are 100% con safe and con approved. As you can see, they are not metal, they are not real scissors, they are plastic. So you don't have to worry about your props being confiscated. Remember, don't bring actual scissors into a con, that will get you into a lot of trouble. Now with all that said and done, let's start.
You will need plastic scissors. These must not have any form of blade, otherwise they can be confiscated by the convention. Any kind of tape, gold spray paint, red spray paint, and silver spray paint. Firstly, pull apart the scissors. Put tape around the scissors but leave the handle free. Spray the plastic screws gold. Spray the handles red. Once you've built up a few layers of the paint, peel off the duct tape. And put more over the painted part. Be careful as this can peel off the paint, so put it on lightly. Then spray the blade silver. Then clip everything back together. You can use nail glue or super glue to secure everything into place. Repeat with the other pair of scissors. And now they are complete. So that is all there is to it. It is super duper easy. Like I said before, please make sure that there is no form of blade or anything sharp on these scissors. Even if the plastic blades are a little bit sharp and pointy, you might want to just file this down. This is because sometimes cons can confiscate any sharp objects, so you really don't want these to be taken off you. If you would like to see how to make Grell's chainsaw depth scythe, there is a link in the description. There is also a wig styling tutorial and a makeup tutorial in the description as well. So that is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Also, comment in the description telling me who your favourite Black Butler character is and if you like Grell or not. I thought this tutorial would be beneficial if you don't have the time to make a big chainsaw, so this is a much more simple and cheap way. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new video. Thanks for watching. Bye! Consider supporting me and what I do by buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-fi. Everyone who donates will be receiving a cosplay fan sign. This will help keep the cosplays and videos coming and help the channel grow. Check the link in the description for more information.
出会いに色はなくてモノクロ吹き抜ける痛みごときに委ねましょう